Crispin Marshfield. I'm an exterior design manager here at Bentley Motors, and I'm proud to introduce to you today the new Bentley Continental GT Speed. Okay, so the Bentley Continental GT has always been defined by three key exterior lines. That is the fastback roof line, the power line over the front wheel, and the haunch line over the rear wheel. But with the Speed, we've introduced a number of subtle but effective enhancements that really amplify the muscular character of the car. Starting with this new sill, with this strong three-dimensional section that catches light and really pins the car down, giving it a very sporting stance. And also we have a new Speed badge on the front fender, making the car instantly identifiable. So the front of the car features a typical unique Bentley face with the 4 round crystal cut headlamps and the large rectangular grille. And the grille itself features a unique new dark tint finish to the matrix for both the upper and lower grilles. So the most obvious new feature to the exterior of the Speed is this new 22-inch wheel, which is an evolution of previous Speed wheels with its multi-spoke design, but it now has this kind of twin spoke design with a chunkier section. And the wheel is available in dark tint, as seen here, or bright silver. This car features the gloss black wheel finish, which perfectly complements the black pack, which replaces all of the chrome trim on the car with a gloss black finish instead. So the combination of all of these design elements help make the new Continental GT Speed the ultimate Grand Tourer. I'll now hand over to Darren Day, who'll take you through the interior design.
Hello, my name's Darren Day and I'm Head of Interior Design at Bentley Motors. So Bentley is the only car company that uses its badge as inspiration for the interior. These wings on the Bentley badge inspired the shape of the wings. So this trim and badging is unique to the Speed, and like all Bentleys can be further enhanced and personalised if desired, with a choice of 15 main hide and 11 secondary hide colours. And of course you get this amazing, unique Speed colour split on this interior. The enhanced design of the new digital dials on the dashboard and the Speed logo usage appears when the engine's turned on. Sports pedals and Speed tread plate plaques are also a standard, packed with exquisite detail, a technologically advanced instrument panel, and of course the acclaimed Bentley rotating display. The new driver-focused model widens the Continental GT performance credentials. So I've taken you through the interior design. Now I'm going to hand over to Maria, who's going to tell you all about the colour and trim.
My name is Maria Mulder and I am Head of Colour and Trim at Bentley Motors. The Continental GT Speed has a unique colour split, which is offered with both hide and Alcantara. We also have an Alcantara steering wheel. So we have a striking dark tint engine turned aluminium, which can be offered with our new open pore veneers, such as the dark stained burr walnut, crown cut walnut, and koa. These can be selected. As you can see, there are 3 stunning metallic paints on display here. Candy red is a sporting red with an incredible depth of colour. This hot red has a complex combination of ingredients that can create a molten, almost liquid effect that looks like it's been poured over the body, a discerning twist on the traditional candy finish. Julep is a diverse combination of colours that have been blended together to create this warm green gold of julep. The metallic gold, tempered by subtle undertones of green, it adds a distinctive edge to this eye-catching Mulliner paint. Verdant is a modern metallic interpretation on British racing green, which is synonymous with Bentley race cars in the 1920s and 30s. The unique and more purposeful styling applied to the exterior and interior of the Continental GT Speed firmly positions the car as the most powerful, performance-focused interpretation of the ultimate luxury Grand Tourer.